Hey YouTube, we got a bigger, better bomb.
Bear, go.
What if Mr. Shingle sees this one?
Hopefully to get a better turnout.
Ah, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the cap.
You gotta go out to the street for this one.
Let's only do it in the driveway this time.
Because it's going off. Well, you saw what happened last time.
Ready? Go.
I'm staying back.
Camera guy ain't.
Huh?
Camera guy's crippled already.
Stand right here. Ready? I'm gonna begin to take it.
Okay.
Arming process.
Drop. Awesome. We got milk jug in there too. Oh, I'm gonna buy some more vinegar. That's awesome.
Fucking take out a drone with that shit.
Show them what happened to the bottle.
That's all that's left.
Where's the packaging?
I don't know. Fucking sent that shit to Narnia.
Oh, we thought the little ones were wicked. That sounded like a bomb.
Dude, I felt the pressure. I start hissing at me.
We have
to go hide this one.
Yeah.
That was wicked. Hide it in Danny's room.
That's awesome. Or a garbage bag. Garbage bag
These
works.
bottles are only $1.75.
Do you have any money left?